Now let's take a closer look at the options page. The options page can be accessed from the main menu here or by accessing the cogwheel icon here. The first tab is the General tab. Here you can download ArmoníaPlus's log file, set the autosave frequency and file limit, and finally set the system language and measurement system, imperial or metric. The next tab is the Communication Manager tab. Here you can set the communication port for ArmoníaPlus 2.0 and Dante. The Appearance tab enables the user to change the general appearance of ArmoníaPlus 2.0. The File Path tab enables the user to specify the default file path of ArmoníaPlus. The Measurement logging enables the logging of measurements and to choose the file path of the measurements logging. The Interactive Tuning tab enables user to set up interactive tuning and smart live integration to ArmoníaPlus 2.0. The Armonia Legacy tab lets user enable compatible legacy ArmoníaPlus plugins to be used in the current ArmoníaPlus. The Operator View tab enables user to enable Operator View web server. Operator View is available on the Touring skin of ArmoníaPlus. This selection is only available on the Touring skin. The Access Manager sets access rights to users. Here you can set username and passwords and provide different levels of access right. The Local View Host tab lets user enable local view host status. This menu enables users to set the local computer as a view host instead of having a separate view host server. View host is needed for WebView and AppView graphic user interface hosting that the user can create using Views Designer. The Audio Converter tab enables user to convert audio files to PowerSoft amplifier supported format. The last tab is the VPN tab. The VPN tab lets users set up remote control and monitoring of PowerSoft amplifiers.